In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove trailing decimals in Google Sheets, whether you're working with a column full of data or just a few specific cells. Sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where entering a straightforward number, like 5, automatically displays as 500, complete with decimal places you don't need. This can be a little frustrating, especially if you're aiming for a cleaner presentation. Luckily, I'm here to share two simple methods to get rid of those unwanted decimal places, ensuring your spreadsheet looks just the way you want it. Let's start with the first option, which involves using the Format menu. Begin by selecting the specific cells or column you wish to adjust. For illustration, let's imagine you've entered the number 5, but it's currently showing up with those pesky decimal points as $500. Now, head to the top bar of your Google Sheets and click on the Format menu. From there, you'll navigate to Number and then select Custom Number Format. In the dialog box that appears, you'll simply need to type a single 0. By doing so, you're instructing Google Sheets to display the number without any decimal places. It's a quick fix to ensure your data appears as intended. Once you've typed in that 0, click the Apply button, and voila, your numbers will be free of those unnecessary decimal points. Moving on to the second option, which is equally straightforward and utilizes the toolbar. You'll again start by selecting the cells you wish to modify. Then, take a look at the toolbar located near the top of the page. Here, you'll find various formatting tools, including the option to decrease decimal places. It's represented by an icon featuring the number 0 with a downward arrow beside it. Simply click on this button repeatedly until the point magically disappears from your numbers. This tool provides a more visual approach and allows you to tailor the number format with just a few clicks. Both of these methods are quick and easy, and can be applied to any cell or range of cells, depending on your needs. By following these steps, you'll be able to clean up your data display, removing any unwanted distractions and making your spreadsheet appear precisely as you want it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful for your data cleaning tasks. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any other questions about Google Sheets, or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover in a future video. Happy spreadsheet editing!